Hi, boys and girls. So for math, you guys did an awesome job on adding tens and subtracting tens. Thank you for showing me your quick pictures, as well as you guys were doing such a great job, not only finding the sum, but also the difference. So now we're going to change a strategy. We're going to be using a hundreds chart to add. We are just adding today. With this, we do not have to draw any quick pictures. We are going to be using this handy dandy 120 chart, okay? So I want you to go ahead and I just want you to watch right now, okay? Then you're gonna go and grab your homework packet that I have for you, that I gave to you guys, and that's where we will do a problem together. But right now, you're just watching Miss Leal, okay? So I'm going to move this up so that we can see the whole 120 chart. So it's going to block out the friends up there. All right. So the way that this works, boys and girls, is we've used 120 chart before to add. Remember, when we add by ones, we go to the side, right? But when we add by tens, we go down on the 120 chart, okay? So we are going to be going both ways because sometimes our numbers aren't just tens, and sometimes our numbers aren't just a single digit. Sometimes they're a double digit. So I'm going to give us a problem, and I'm going to show you how to move on the 120 chart, okay? So for example, if I have the problem 51 plus 3, I'm going to start really easy, okay? Well, I know that this is a single digit, so that means I'm just going to move to the side, okay? So I'm going to find 51 on my 120 chart. So I'm going to find it right. I'm going to go to my ones, and I'm going to go down, and I'm going to find 51. Now, I'm going to hop over 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. I landed at 54. So that means that my sum is 54. Okay? Simple, right? I just moved over 3 spaces. I'm not going back because that's subtracting. I'm going forward. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and erase. And now I'm going to give you a little bit of a harder problem. Okay? All right. So now I have the number 25 plus 20, okay? Well, I know that 20 has groups of 10, so I'm going to count by tens, okay? So I'm going to go to 25, I'm going to go to my fives and go down. I found 25, now I'm going to count by tens by going down. 10, 20. I landed on 45. So that means that my sum is going to be 45, okay? So just like that. Now I'm going to throw a little bit of a harder one out there for you guys, okay? I'm sure you guys are going to do great with it. Let me grab my eraser and stop using my hand. All right. So the next problem I'm going to do is 72 plus 21. All right. So here I go. This is where it gets a little tricky, boys and girls. So I know that I have to first look for my 72, but then I need to look at the other number, which is my 21. I know that when I look at 21, I have 2 tens and 1 1. So that means I'm going to jump down 2 tens and move over 1. So that'd be 10, 20, 21. Okay, so I'm going to go to 72 first. I'm going to go to my 2s. I'm going to go all the way down until I get to 72. Now watch what I'm going to do, boys and girls. I'm going to go 10, 20, 21. I landed on 93. You see that? So I went 72, but I go down 2 tens. 10, 20, 21. And I hop over 1 because that is a single digit. I'm not going to go down to 30. I'm going to go 21. Okay, so my sum is 93. Okay, I'm going to do one more problem, and then we're going to grab our homework, and we're going to do one together or we might do a couple together so that you really understand what you have to do. Okay, all righty. This time, I'm going to do 9 plus 33. All right. So here, I know that I need to start at 9. I can find 9 very easily. But now I have to look at my other add-in, which is 33. I know that 33 has 3 10s and 3 1s. So that means I'm going to jump down 3 10s, 10, 20, 30, and hop over 3 1s, 31, 32, 33. So I'm going to first start at 9. So watch me. I'm going to start at 9. Now I'm going to hop down 3 10s. 10, 20, 30, okay? I'm going to hop over 3 1s. 31, got to move down because I can't keep going. It comes down here. 31, 32, 33. Oh, I stopped at 42. That means that 9 plus 33 is the same as 42. So, I want us to grab our work packet, okay, the math one, and you should have it, and it looks like this, okay? So I'm going to bring it out, and I want you to grab a pencil so that we can do a couple together, okay? Give you a little bit of a second to grab that while I get ready as well. All right. Okay, so here is our work, okay? So remember, please put your name at the top. Okay? Now, we are going to do 47 plus 2, okay? So first find 47. Go to your 7s. It's quicker that way. I go to my 7s. I hop all the way down. I find 47. Now, 2 is a single digit. That means it's only 1. So that means I only need to move over 2 spaces. So 47, 48, 49. Oh, I stopped at 49. So that means that my sum, 47 plus 2, is 49. Okay? Now, I think you guys can do this one. So we're actually going to skip down to number 3, which, well, not number 3. Well, we will skip down to number, let's skip down to number 4. That's a pretty good one there. Okay? So number 4 says 40 plus 41. Okay? So that means I need to start at 40. So I'm going to start at 40, and then I'm going to hop 40 to go to 41. I know that 41 has 4 10s and 1 1. So that means I'm going to hop down 4 10s and move over 1. So I'm at 40. I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, and I have to hop over. So that means I come down 40, 41. And I landed at 81. So that means that my sum for number 4, 40 plus 41, is 81. Okay, boys and girls? So this will be our homework for tonight. What you are going to do is you're going to complete these problems. This one down here, use that 120 chart to solve. Also, you will be completing the back of it. Also use the 120 chart here. And these are just spiral review questions. All right, boys and girls? If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on Seesaw. Remember to snap a photo of this so that you can get credit. Awesome job. I'll see you next time.